everyone. Thank you for giving such a great response on my previous video. I thank Cyber King India for giving such a tremendous opportunity to talk to you all with this series of their show called Talk with an Entrepreneur. My name is Shubham Mishra. I'm the founder and CEO of Toy Security. We deal in corporate security mainly, network penetration testing, mobile testing, and according to me, the best way to get idea for your business is looking around you and observing how you can solve a problem with a user-friendly solution. Well, to find an idea, first you need to evaluate all the problems that surround you or the society that you live in. With the increase in technology, with the boom in technology, I saw that there were a lot of cybercrime going on, and the corporates were facing a lot of problem as their cyber infrastructure was not that well. So it was not up to the benchmark. So I saw an opportunity over there, and I thought of starting a business that would help these corporates to run their business smoothly and protect their data from cyber criminals, or we call as hackers. So from there I got the idea for Toy Security. Well, starting a new business is essentially an experiment. You have to make a lot of assumptions. At TOI, we had to face many milestones like completing of concept and writing the plan, and then completing the prototype and testing of the prototype. As we are a service based company, so for us the prototype was the services that we are going to provide to our customers, to the corporates. And the last two things that the businesses all depend upon is finance and marketing. So if you have done all the things right, you have made the plan, you have done prototype testing, but you don't manage your finances, you will run out of money very soon. And if you burn out of money, that will gonna cause your complete shutdown for the business. So that was the problem you were going to face when you start a new business. And we also faced, there were many experiments that we did in the starting stage. And the last one is the marketing. If your marketing is not proper, right, you won't understand whom to approach, where is your market potential. So we analyzed a lot about our customers. We studied about what are the corporates do, how they take in the cyber experts, how they're gonna indulge in us, how they can build a trust with us. Because business is all about trust. No, I haven't considered any other startup before TOEI, as I was from cybersecurity background. I was always thinking about how to protect people precious data. How can we protect data? How can we protect people from these cyber frauds? So I was always curious about cyber security. So I've never considered any other option other than TOEI. Expanding any business is always a tough job, and in the cybersecurity market, as we see that it is gaining traction over the forecast timeline due to increase in frequency of cyber attacks. Enterprises across normal sectors are opting for cyber infrastructure. So as the goal of our company says, gaining client as well as word trust by securing them against cyber threats. We would like to make ourselves as good as possible in the market of cyber security, so that we can gain more and more customers. We can gain their trust. That's how we are planning to expand our business. Chasing my dream always motivates me to be an entrepreneur. I always wanted the cyber world to be a secure one. That was my dream and my passion for cyber security always make me to do something more and more in this world, and that's what motivate me to be an entrepreneur. As cybercrime is gaining traction over the year, so to keep yourself and your family secure, I would suggest not to use public networks. Even for some cause, if you have to use a public network, avoid banking transaction over it. And when you download any app, just check it out, is it coming from a legitimate source or not. As I always say that 90% of the hacking is done through phishing. So whenever you have to click on any link or you have to submit your information on any website through any link, just do proper research that the link is coming from a legitimate source or not. As we have seen in past few months that UPI fraud is gaining traction. So before you transfer money to someone or any company, be very sure that they are legitimate or not. And even if you are doing any online transaction on a website, just check about their compliance, check that do they have SSL certificate or not. These are the things that you can do to keep you secure. Most of the young generation quit being an entrepreneur as they think that to be an entrepreneur you have to be perfect. It's not about perfect, it's about effort. And when you bring that effort every single day, that's where transformation happens. That's how change occurs. You cannot be perfect all the time. You will going to make mistakes, and when you choose to be an entrepreneur, there will be 50 to 60 vulnerabilities altogether. They will come in front of you, and people will say that this is wrong, that is wrong. When you will develop a website, people will say that the fonts are not good, the color is not good, but that's okay. It's okay to be wrong sometime. It's okay. You should try to be an entrepreneur. It's an amazing lifestyle. And being an entrepreneur, you know that you are following your passion. You know that you are doing something that you love. You know that you're making a change in this world.